Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this Embedded System Design, IoT, and PCB Design Masterclass series. I warmly welcome you to the session. Thanks for coming and thank you for your time. And we are in day 30. First, I would like to congratulate for every one of them, those who are present right now. Okay, so out of initially, like we have around 14,000 registrations for this Embedded System Design series. So the initial day, the day one, like we have more than 1,500 attendees, like 1,500 to 2,000 attendees. So today we have only 27 attendees right now at this moment. So these are the winners, like those who show commitments. Okay. So for that, first I would like to congratulate everyone. First, I would like to welcome you all personally for all the early comers. Bhavya, before that, am I audible? Am I audible? Just type yes in the chat box. If I am audible, just type yes in the chat box. If I am not audible, just type no in the chat box. Before that, I would like to confirm whether I am audible to you. If I am audible, just type yes in the chat box. If I am not audible, just type no in the chat box. Okay. First, I would like to welcome Bhavika and Junaid. Junaid, good evening. Eric, good evening. Sudhir Karpaham, good evening. Sunil Chavan, good evening. Ramadevi, good evening. And Ugale, good evening. Sumit Kumar, Mohana Krishnan, Aravinda, good evening. Das, Saurabdeep Das, good evening. Humberto, good evening. Arumukham Veeraya, good evening. And Nilesh, good evening and thanks. Arumukham, thank you. And Kamalashri, good evening. Raj Kumar, good evening. Maunika, good evening. Ranjit Madhuram, good evening. Pradeep Rajan, good evening. Junaid, good evening. Tahira Banu, good evening. Jagadhar Singh, Shaik, Saktivel, Vamshi, Pranjal, Vinita, good evening. Pradeepa and Malvika, Malvika Pasle, Shrutika, Arjit, good evening. Yemeka Kallu, good evening. Okay, Shiba, good evening. Kaviyarsu, good evening. Akash, Prashant, and Kalpesh, Pavan, and Ankita. Hamsapriya, good evening. Havola, good evening. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. So if I have missed any of the names, I'm really sorry for that. First, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you so much for your commitments and thank you for your presence on this final day. Okay, so today first we will cover up the demo part and then I would like to recap all the 30 days, like recap both the skill set, what we have learned on this 30 days and what we have learned on the skills on the mindset. Okay, so I will just recap and then we'll close the session. For these certificates, it will be uploaded probably tonight. So I will give you the link where you have to check the certificates. Else you check tomorrow. So okay, not more than tomorrow evening. Okay, you will be getting the certificates before tomorrow 6 p.m. IST. Okay. So coming to the announcement. So minimum attendance to get a E certificate for embedded system design is 22 days. Okay, I have reduced 3 more days. Like so if you have an attendance of 22 days, you'll be getting the E certificate for embedded system design. For PCB workshop, it is 10 days. Okay, you have to attend all the 10 days for PCB workshop. So attendance, the copy of the attendance will be sent to your email. And if you found any mismatch on the attendance, you could send an email to certificate@pantechsolutions.net. Okay. So the upcoming programs we have is a 5-day MATLAB masterclass which starts on Monday. So you could connect on our channel and you could check the latest update of the program. The machine learning masterclass is also there, but I'm not sure about the timings. But this is like the next week is 5 days MATLAB masterclass. I hope you enjoy this 30 days. Okay. Maybe I might have add some value to the content, like the PCB design content or the embedded system design content. So thank you so much for your time. Okay, let's go for the demo. We will complete the demo part within around 9 to 10 p.m. and then we will have a recap of all the 30 days, what we have learned on 30 days, and finally we could close the session. Okay. Once again, I thank you so much for your time. Thanks for coming and let's go for the demo. Okay. So this is so for like before we start, if you're ready to learn, just type RTL in the chat box. Avinash, thank you. Avinash, thank you and good evening. And Sunil Chavan, good evening. Ahmad, good evening. Talat Ahmad, good evening. And Shubharao, good evening. Abhishek Mathur, good evening. Electronics Universe, good evening. And Bhavana Kichi, good evening. Anushya Rani, good evening. Sandy, Shrutika, Hari Prasad, and Pavan, Wagmare Pavan, Kalpesh, good evening. Akash, good evening. Good evening to all. So this is in the previous class, like we have placed the components, and this is what we have completed in the previous class. Okay, so let's start the routing process, and finally like the Gerber creation. Okay, finally how to create Gerbers which you use for manufacturing. So thank you Shivendra, Sanjay, Vinod, and Jitesh, Arjit, Abhishek, Sunil, Prashant, Jagadarshing, thank you. Okay, let's start. Okay, so once you come to this point, okay, there is an option called colors here. Else you could go for setup colors. There are two way. You could go for setup colors, or there is a shortcut here, colors. Okay, you click colors and first set the color for the nets, especially for the 5 volt and the ground. Okay, so 5 volt I'm going to choose red for 5 volt, and for ground I'm going to choose green. Green I will choose yellow. Okay, I'll choose yellow. So that you could see like all the red color or the power pins, and the yellow or the ground pins. So most people, like there are a lot of people will do it in different way. So I used to connect the VCC and the ground first, and then I will go for the I will go for the other nets. Okay, general nets. So these are all the nets. Okay, nets are nothing but wires. So I just enable red color for 5 volt, and for ground I have enabled green. Okay, so if you're not clear, for every 5 minutes I'll go through a chat. If you're not clear, just type repeat in the chat box. I will repeat the topic. Okay, layers. Coming to layers, I'm going to top layer is green and bottom layer is yellow. So we also have so this color I will change this to blue. Okay, so bottom layer is blue. So just to okay, bottom layer is blue. Click apply and click OK. Okay, so first I'm going to connect all the ground first. This yellow color is ground and the red color is VCC. So on the left hand side, like you have options for add connect, slide option is there, delay tune and custom smooth. I click add connect. Okay, so go for options. This options, you set this line lock to 45 degree. Okay, line width is 0.2. Line width is 0.2. So you click add connect, choose this one and connect this one. Okay, choose this. If you want, you could have different width for the power pins and the ground pins, but as of now I'm going to use the same 0.2 mm. Okay, so right click, done. So I'm going to connect only the ground pin now. So choose add connect, choose this pin, connect. Okay, add pin, connect. Okay, right click, done. Okay, so I'm just click the add connect, choose the pad. Okay, and click here. So that will connect the ground. Okay, right click, done. So first I will connect all the grounds. Okay, so choose add connect, click the pad. Okay, I click done. Okay, click add connect. Okay, I click done. So just to view, click add connect. Okay, it comes by practice. So once you practice, like you could be a master in this one. There are a lot of content available on the internet for learning cadence. Okay, So once you connect first, and then like later you could modify. Okay, I just connect first. I finish the connection of all the ground pins. Later we will modify. Oops. Okay. So first I'm going to connect all the ground pins, and then let us connect VCC. Just click add connect, and you could. There is also shortcut key is there, F3 function. You could press F key, F3 button. Okay. So on the top, you have export reports, quick reports. Just go for unassigned unconnected pins report. Okay, so this will give you the unconnected pins. So right now, ground we have these are the nets which is unrouted. Okay, unrouted. So if so, I just connect. I choose F3 function F3 like I F3 command shortcut key. So this one I make it as a bottom layer. I'm going to route this one as a bottom layer. I drop a wire, top layer again. Okay, done. So if you want to adjust this one, like there is a slide option is here, like you could slide option. Okay. Click add connect. Okay. I just repeat. I use add connect. I choose this ground, and then I just connect. Okay. So we're just connecting the all ground pins. Okay. So this I will make it as a top layer. So I choose the top layer here. Okay, done. Okay. For this, I choose the bottom layer, like to route, choose the bottom layer function. If I choose this key and route, okay. So it's okay. So I choose bottom layer. Okay, I just connect all the ground pins now. Okay, okay. So we check. I save this file. Let me check. Go for export. Go for export. Go for quick reports. Go for unused, unconnected pins report. Okay. So ground still two pins are two grounds are not connected yet. Okay. It's in C5. It's in C5 and it's in C4. C5. Here it is. So these two nets are not connected yet. Export. Go for export. Quick reports. Unconnected pins report. Okay. So one more pin is here. Like it's in C4. Again, it's in C4. Okay. This one. Okay. So now save this file and let me check for the quick reports unconnected pins report. So ground we have made connection. So VCC, these are the VCC nets. Okay. So how to check top and bottom layer? Aditya Potu, like you just go for this colors. Okay, colors. Choose this one, like apply all on. Okay, you go for find. So you could choose one. This is only the top layer, and this is only the bottom layer. Okay, so like to route this one, this is top layer, like bottom is top. I have make it as green, and bottom I have make it as blue. Okay, so when you try to route this one, like if you for pad, like this is add pin, add connect. For example, if this I'm going to make it as a top layer, like I click this add connect, click the pad, so it shows top. Okay, you could choose the line width and you could choose the line lock, auto check, auto blank other ads. It should be checked. Okay, choose this one and just connect this one. Okay, so this is top layer. So first I'm going to connect the VCC, just only the VCC 5 volt. So all this I'm going to make it as a top. So this I'm going to make this net, I'm going to make it as a bottom. So I choose bottom, I choose this add connect, I choose this pin. Okay, and I route it as bottom. Later you could change. Okay, this alignment is slide, you could change this slide and you could change, but first you connect it. Okay, so this answer is for Aditya Poto. uh Akinel, good evening. Okay, Tumma, good evening. How to I need to do in bottom, which is in top layer. Tumna Nalini Durga is asking, sir, how to identify which connection need to be in bottom? No, it depends upon you. Like like this, for this I'm going to make this is all, everything is top. So I make this layer as bottom. Okay. So in order to reduce the complexity, first you make the first you connect VCC ground and VCC pin first. So this I'm going to make again bottom again. So I choose this net bottom. I choose this pad and I bring this pad. Okay, right click, done. Okay, first this is bottom. Okay, choose this add pin. Okay, connect this one. Okay, right click, cancel. Okay, I choose this. I'm this is top. This is top actually. Let me check. Right click, done. Okay. If you choose add select, if you keep the cursor, like it will tell you it's top. So this I want to make it as a bottom. Okay. So I just clicked on top. It's SMD, so it's top. So I click add connect. I take this top. Okay. I click add via. Okay. Or double click. You just go and change this as bottom now. Now it will be in bottom. Okay. Right click, done. Later you could slide this one. You choose this slide and you could slide this one. Okay. The slide option. So done. Okay. I'm just connecting only the VCC part. So choose this one, choose connect. So this is okay. Cancel. So SMD should be the first. SMD will be in top. So okay. So connect, add connect. SMD is top. Like I connect this top. Okay. I click done. Okay. So this is also. So this is this right click. If you click add connect, so this is top. Okay. So this is top. So you cannot cross over here. So it should be bottom. It should be bottom. So you have to add a via and you have to do this. Else you could route from here. Okay. I choose this one, add connect, top, right click, done. Okay. So slide, you could slide this one. Okay. This is custom smooth. So you click this one, custom smooth. I click done. Okay. But while printing on board, we'll get same color. No, color is not that. This is copper actually. Aditya put like this is copper. This is just for identification. Like the color will not be printed like copper. Only the silk screen will be printed. Okay, so this is something like I choose add top. Okay, right click done. I choose this one. Okay. Okay. So I connect all the 5 volt. So later you could adjust by using slide. Okay. First you make connections and then like adjust. It will take minimum like for reading for get ready, like it will take minimum 2 to 3 hours of time, like making fine adjustments later. But I'm not going to make fine adjustments today. I just go to I just connect and I'll create the Gerber and I'll show like when you route, like you could make fine adjustments and you could make the board uh, neat and clean. Okay. So I think I have connected. Oh, this net is there. Still this net is not connected. So this is top. So I'm going to take this net as bottom. Okay. So I choose bottom and I choose this net. Oh, this is cancel. Okay. Okay. So bottom, I choose add connect first. I'll choose this net. Okay. And I will complete this net. Done. Okay. Next, this I should make it as a via. It is top actually. There's because it has SMD pad. So I start with top layer. Okay. I start this with top layer. I choose this one, top layer. Okay. Double click. I change this to bottom. Okay. So this net, I just choose this net, top. Okay. Add, connect, take this net. Let me check. Okay, here it is. Okay. So I choose add connect. Okay. Okay. If you want to delete this line, okay, if you want to unroute this line, so you go for find, click C lines, connector lines, okay, choose this delete option and choose this line. C lines. You have to choose the C lines, okay, and put. Right click, done. Okay. So here it is. So again, I try this one. I choose add connect, go for options, top. Okay, done. Okay. So I think I save this file. Let me check for the uh, unconnected pins. Still, we have a lot of 5 volts are here. Okay. So these are all the 5 volts. Okay. Add connect, top, it's top. This is top. Okay. So it has to be, we have to put a wire here. Top, click add connect. This is top. Right click, save this one. Export. Let me check for the unconnected pins report. We have 4. It is in U3. U3, it's here. Okay. This is top. Not on a net. Let me check. Find. Go for find. C lines. Okay. I remove this net. Okay. Just connect it again. Connect line is top 5 out. Okay. Top. This is top. This is bottom. Okay. So check. I choose this one. Go for options. Go for top. Choose bottom. Okay. Okay. Right click. Save this one. Export. Nets. Go for reports. Quick reports. Unconnected pins report. We have still C1, R5, and J2. C1, it's there. C1. Okay, here it is, C1. Okay, C1, R5. Here it is. This is top. Okay, so click this one. It should be top. Okay. Save this one. Export. Let me check for the other one. Export. Quick reports. Go for unconnected pins report. Okay, so 5 volt. J2. Okay, here it is. It is not connected actually. So click this one. Stop. This is top. Okay, this is top. Save this one. Export. Quick reports. Okay, so we have connected the ground and the VCC. So these are the remaining nets which has to be connected. Is this clear till this point? Okay. Certificates. There's a lot of people are asking for certificates. You have to visit the website. Okay, tomorrow or tonight. Okay, so probably you just visit tomorrow. You just go for the website pantecsolutions.net. On the bottom, like, you have options called verify certificate. Okay, verify certificate. You click verify certificate. Here you have to enter the email and search. You will get the certificate. Okay. For Poonam, for this answer is for Poonam. Okay. Yes, Arumukham, yes, only e-certificate will be provided. So Divya, like, you will get the certificate probably within tomorrow evening 6 o'clock. Okay. So you will also get the attendance, like how many days you have attended. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Kaula. Thank you, Siba. Thank you, Omi Sanya. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you. Okay. So the remaining, like, remaining nets are there. Okay. So here, like, I'm just going to connect on the top layer. Okay. The nets I just connect here. Later I could adjust. Okay. I just connect. Okay. If you have any doubts, please post it on the chat box. I will answer. Okay. Meantime, let me finish this one. This is bottom, so we could easily connect this one. Right click, right click. Okay. So I'm going to connect. I'd say this one. Okay. So I'm just going to connect this one, function F3. Okay. So you could readjust later. Okay. You could readjust later. So I have connected this connectors. Okay. Now I'm connecting this connector. Okay. So I have connected this connector. So let me check the power supply part first. Any unrouted net in the power supply, I will connect now. So power supply part is connected now. Okay, I have connected all the connections on the power supply part. I'll come to the USB to serial part. Click this one. Okay, first I'll finish this USB part. Okay, so I have completed the USB part. Oh, two more connections are there. Okay, so I have completed the USB part. Okay, you have to, but to make it neat, like it will take some time. So I'm not going to do that. I just complete the schematics and I will release this Gerber. Okay, let's check for the unconnected nets. Okay, let's check export, go for quick reports, and unconnected pins report. So these are the pins which we have. Okay, let us check. So I go for find C lines. I just choose this delete option and I remove this one. Okay, I'm going to connect this net. If you want to delete, like you could unroute and you could use this delete option. Now add connect. I'm going to take this as a bottom layer. Okay, add a via, connect this one. Right click, done. Okay. Save this one. Let us check for the reports, quick reports. Okay, so still we have 10 more. Let's check for this one. So I'm just connect. Only two more nets are there. Let us finish it soon. Okay. So I choose find sealants, delete this one, I delete. Okay. Options, options, go for add. Options, choose this is top. Okay. Let me check the visibility for all. Okay. So save this one. Let us check for the unconnected nets. Export. So only we have three more. Okay, so let's check this net. Okay, this one. Top. So let me take this as bottom. Options bottom. You should not keep more wires like this, but in order to complete fast, like I'm keeping more wires, but you should not do that. Okay. So save this one. Let me check for the unconnected nets. Export quick reports. Okay, so we have two. It's on R1.4. It is on R1 point. Okay, okay, here it is. So you choose this one, delete. Okay, connect this one. Okay, and this one is here. Okay, so almost the routing is completed. Let me check one more time. Export. Okay. Okay, so we have completed the routing. So is that clear till this point? Just type clear in the chat box. Is that clear till this point? Just type clear in the chat box. Raju, like don't check now. Like the certificates will be available only tomorrow. Okay. Uh, Thank you so much. Like IoT courses, also, Poonam, thank you, and Rahul, thank you. Raju, thank you. Saktivel, thank you. Okay. So how to create the Gerbers? Okay, how to create the Gerbers? So if you want to like the ground filling, if you want to do ground filling, choose this shape. Okay, add shape on this edge top. Like I'm going to put ground filling on the bottom, so I'm choose this is dynamic copper net. I have to choose this is ground. Okay, I just choose this net as ground, click OK, just drag and drop. Okay, so that's the ground filling at the bottom. You save this one. Okay, so thank you so much. Let us create the Gerber first. I'll show you. This is the top layer. Okay, and this is the top layer and this is the bottom layer. Okay, so the top layer and bottom layer. So in order to create the Gerber, you just go for colors. The same thing which we did on day 4. Day 5. So go for setup, go for colors. Okay, you click off. I choose only the top layer, and then I choose the geometry. I choose the outline. Okay, and I choose the components like top areas, stack up top, geometry outline. Okay, so apply. Okay, so this is the top layer. Go for outline, display, go for view, color view, save. This is top layer. Save. This is top layer. Okay, top layer. Click save. Click close. You could find out the top layer now here. Okay. Now bottom layer. You have to save the bottom layer. Go for setup. Go for colors again. You click this bottom layer now. Okay. So this is bottom layer. And click apply. Click OK. Go for color view save. You just give this as bottom layer. Okay, bottom layer will be just 5 more minutes. Bottom layer, save and close. Okay, so this is bottom layer and this is top layer. Okay, so now next thing is solder mask top. We need to put. So go for setup, click colors. Okay, and click solder mask top. Okay, so this we have solder mask top and solder mask bottom. Solder mask top, design outline, and apply. So go for components, check for there is geometry. Solder mask top. You should choose solder mask top. Okay, geometry solder mask top and stack up solder mask top. You have to choose or click apply, click OK, and now go for display view, color view save. Okay, this is solder mask top. solder mask top. In this we also need to solder mask bottom is also there. Okay, solder mask top. Setup colors, go for colors. Okay, uncheck this one, go for geometry, uncheck solder mask components, go for geometry, uncheck solder mask top. Solder mask top. Here we have solder mask bottom. Areas, go for stack up solder mask bottom. Okay, so click apply, click OK. Go for display, go for view, color view, save, solder mask bottom. Save this one, save, close. Okay, so we have top layer, bottom layer, solder mask top, solder mask bottom, and now we need to have silk screen top. Okay, there is silk screen top. Setup, go for colors, go for display, go for setup, go for colors. Okay, go for areas, go for stack up, to uncheck solder mask top, solder mask, go for geometry. Okay, choose silk screen top, uncheck solder mask bottom. Okay, this is silk screen top. Go for components, choose silk screen top. Okay, there is no bottom is there, so just check silk screen top, geometry, silk outline. Okay, silk screen top, stack up. There is no silk screen top here. Okay, click apply, click OK. So I'm not going to generate the paste mask top outline. If you want to assemble the board on assembly host, then you have to generate paste mask top. View, color view, save, silk screen top. Okay, so we have forgot to save that one. Display, setup, colors, geometry, components, silk screen top, geometry, silk screen top. Okay, and stack up. Geometry outline is also there. Outline. Okay, sorry. So this color is not a matter. Like silk screen top, we have put silk screen top components, silk screen top. Okay, and areas, stack up. There's no silk screen top. Okay, geometry, silk screen top. Okay, components. If you have silk screen at bottom, then you need to generate silk screen bottom also. So we don't have silk screen bottom, so I just put silk screen top, outline, display, view, color view, save a silk screen top. Okay, you have to click save here, so that you'll get the silk screen top here. Silk screen top, solder mask bottom, solder mask top. This is the top layer, and this is the bottom layer. Is that clear? Is that clear till this point? Nalini Durga, like Gerber creation, like you need to understand the layers first, like top layer, bottom layer, solder mask top, solder mask bottom, silk screen top, silk screen bottom, paste mask top, paste mask bottom. Okay, so paste mask top and paste mask bottom is required if you want to create stencil. Otherwise, no need. Solder mask top and solder mask, if you have bottom is necessary. If you have silk screen at the bottom, then you need to generate the silk screen bottom file also. If you don't place any component at the back side of the PCB, then it is not rocket. If you place components on the back side of the PCB, then silk screen bottom is necessary. Okay, so now to create the Gerbers, go for manufacture, go for export, click Gerber, choose this one. Okay, you choose the top layer and click add top layer here, add top layer. Okay, so these are the things which we repeated on the day 5, I think so. Okay, you choose bottom layer, click right click, add bottom layer. Okay, and I click silk screen top, add silk screen top. Okay, silk screen and silk screen top solder mask top. Let us keep solder mask top. Click add solder solder, same name you have to give, solder mask top. Okay, to solder mask bottom, you put this one, right click, add solder mask bottom. Okay, solder mask bottom. So we have created this one. Now you check top layer, bottom layer, silk screen top, solder mask top, and silk screen bottom. Okay, click create artwork. So okay, so that this will generate the artwork. Okay, so this will generate the artwork. Click OK. To generate the drill file, go for manufacture, create drill table. Okay, sorry, export, click NC drill, choose auto tool, select, go for NC parameter, choose this Excel format, same thing which we repeated the same thing, click drill. So that will generate the drill file. So almost it's done. So we have generated the Gerber and the drill file. Okay, so you could find out this on, like, on day 10. We have footprint copy, like where we have the art file, bottom layer art. Okay, you just search only the art file, so that you have to give all this art file to the, copy all this top layer, bottom layer, silk screen, solder mask top, solder mask bottom, control copy. Okay, so create a folder called Gerber. So only this file you will be giving. You need to add the drill file also. See PCB design workshop. Okay, PCB design workshop version 2 and it's data. Okay, so this drill chart should be added, which is with dot drill extension .drl. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have created this Gerber as well as we have created this one, but you have to align it properly. So thank you so much for your time. Let me take down this questions. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for your time. Like, let me check for the chat. So like, I will just give a recap, like what we have learned on this 30 days. Okay, so day one, like of the first 10 days is on, we have covered up the embedded system design. So day one, we have covered up for introduction to embedded system design, like how to choose the right processor for embedded system design, we covered up. And challenges on day two. Day three is introduction to 8051 architecture. Day four is introduction to Kale. And day 5 is how to write a LED blinking code, switch code, relay code for 8051. Okay, and day 6 is about, we covered up how to do a Bluetooth based home automation. Day 7 we have covered up introduction to ARM7 and Cortex M4 architecture. Okay, day 8 we have covered up IoT based weather monitoring system station using ARM7. And day 9 and day 10 we have covered up the Cortex M4 LED using LED blinking temperature monitoring. Okay, so from day 11 to day 20, we have caught up the Internet of Things. So day 11 is introduction to IoT, and day 12 is communication protocols, and day 13 is introduction to ESP32, and 14 how to send data to ThinkSpeak, and how to use machine learning and smart humidity sensor. That we caught up on 15 and 16. 17 we have caught up the LoRa module, and 18 and 19 like we have caught up the Google Sheet, like how to upload the data to the Google Sheet using Arduino and IFTTT. Okay, and day 19 is how to use the real-time video surveillance using ESP32 cam, and day 20 we have caught up the predictive maintenance of duct fan using NodeMCU. Okay, and day 21 to 30 we have caught up the PCB design, like Cadence Allegro, introduction to PCB design, like 851, how to design an 851 board, and schematic tool explanation, library creation, simple schematics, and how to draw 851 schematics, and how to draw component routing and Gerber. Okay, So we have caught up this one. So all these are basics, but if you practice, like you could become a master on PCB design, and we could master embedded system design. Okay. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kamalishri. Thank you, Agri. Thank you, Monu Ansari, Kalpesh. Thank you. Okay, Arjit. Thank you. Okay. So before we close, I will also would like to recap the mindset lesson, because we strongly believe that a mindset is very, very essential for success, because you could see a lot of people, those who do hard work, and but still they are not able to succeed. You could say that is a luck, but it is not luck. It's all about the mindset. Okay. So in order to achieve a massive success, you need to get your mind ready first. Okay. You should have both mindset and skills, mindset as well as skill set. Hard work and smart work will alone will not give you success. You could see a lot of people, those who do hard work as well as smart work, but still they are not able to success. Okay. You could say it's a luck. It's not luck. It's all about the mindset. Okay. It's all about what you attract. Okay. So so get your mindset ready. I'm just going to recap all the mindset lessons. Okay. So first thing you have to do is decide exactly what you want. You want money, you want fame, or you want job. What you want, first you decide that one. If so set a definite goal. Okay, which should have a deadline. Goal without a deadline is a dream. Okay, that is, if you have a goal and if you don't have a deadline, then it's a dream. Okay. So first have a definite goal with a deadline. Number two is you become what you think all day long. Okay. So take account of what you think a lot of time, like whether you have negative thoughts, whether you have positive thoughts. If you have negative thoughts, remember that you are drinking in poison. Okay. If you have negative thoughts, like if you drink poison, only you will die. It's not the other person who is going to die. Okay. It's all about the anger and kind of negative emotions you have. So take control of your thoughts. Okay. Your thoughts are very, very powerful. And third point is focus is the most valuable asset. It's not time. Okay. How much you focus is much more important. So learn how to focus. And fourth is the education which you learn from college will get you a job, but it won't make you a millionaire. Okay. So if you want to become a millionaire, self education is the best thing. You have to learn even after the college, or that its life is the entire life is going to be learning. Okay. So you have to invest for self learning. The more you invest on yourself, wider the impact will be. The more you grow, the more the money you make. Okay. So if you're not filling the day with high priority actions, then it will be filled automatically with low priority distractions. Okay. So if you don't plan, then obviously like it will be automatically filled with just empty work. Okay. So don't do that. If you plant positive thoughts, you'll get positive results. If you plant negative thoughts, you'll get negative results. Mind is like a fertile land. What you plant is what you get. Okay. What you sow is what you're going to reap. So be aware like what you're going to plant, whether you're going to plant negative thoughts or whether you're going to plant positive thoughts. Okay. So what you sow is what you reap. Okay. So more you work on yourself, so your environment is stronger than willpower. Okay. No matter where you are right now, but be aware of your environment, aware of your friends, like whom you are associated with, whom you are hanging over. And if your goal is like to become a millionaire, then you have to hang with the people who is already a millionaire, or you want to find out the right people and you want to associate with them. The wrong friendship will lead you in a wrong way. So be aware of the environment first. Okay. So no matter where you are right now, that's not a problem, but aware of the environment. If you want to get change of the environment, please change the environment, because that is necessary for your success. It is stronger than the willpower. Okay. So imagination and visualization is much more important than knowledge. Okay. Imagination, like every product in this world is created twice. Okay. Every product in this world is created twice. Like first in the mind, and then in the first in the mind, and then the actual product takes place. If you are not, if you didn't imagine the product, or if you didn't imagine the goal, if you didn't, then the actual product will never take place. The first thing is to conceive the product or idea in the mind. So that's the first thing. In every setback, okay, in every failure, there lies a gift. So uncover it. So failure is very, very essential for your success. Whenever you get failure, like it means like it is very essential component for you. Think that it is a very essential component for success. Okay, there's a gift on it. Sometimes illusion of knowledge is sometimes more dangerous than ignorance. Okay, when you think that I know, you stop learning. Okay, so that is more dangerous than ignorance. So never get settled. Okay, so your past is not equal to your future. So no matter how your past is, but still you could decide the lifestyle you want. Still you could make money. Still you could choose what kind of home you want to live, what kind of vehicle you want to drive, what kind of family, like what kind of relationship you want to have. It's everything could change and you could decide. Okay, it's all in your hand. Okay, life is a mirror. You see what you are. If you think people are cheating, it means there is some negative which is sitting inside you. Okay, so because life is always a mirror, you see what you are. Okay, so if you see good on people, people will see good on you. Okay, if you see like everything wrong on people, like people will also see wrong on you. So see good, always see good on people, so people will see good on you. Okay, so when you master your senses, you could master your life. Okay, so see good in people and learn the know-how. See, every process have a know-how process. You just learn it. Okay, in order to make a million, there's a know-how process. In order to make a product, there's a know-how process. In order to get a job, there's a know-how process. If you learn the know-how process, then you will definitely succeed. It is just like the Rubik's cube, solving a Rubik's cube. Okay, if you don't know the algorithm and if you try to solve the Rubik's cube, like you cannot join within a particular amount of time. Okay, but if you know the algorithm, then you could complete the Rubik's cube within 5 minutes or 10 minutes of time within a certain point of time. Okay, so there's a know-how process on everything. Just learn the know-how process. Okay, always model the successful people. It works. Okay, just copy what they're doing. It really works. Managing money is more important than making money. Try to take a financial class or financial course, because those things are not taught in our college, which is a very essential skill for our success. Learn how to manage money. Okay, and the way you respond to any situation will change the outcome. So it's all how you respond to the situation, not about the environment. Okay, so ideas are worthless unless you act on it. So if you don't take any actions on the idea, then having idea is waste. So okay, so one idea can bring you a big breakthrough. Unless you implement the ideas, you don't know which is a great idea or not. So always take action on implementing the ideas. Okay, so focus on 80-20 rule. Okay, so focus on one thing, that's very very important. Okay, do minimalism. And words has power to create and power to destroy. So what you speak really matters. So you have to take care of the words what you speak. Okay, and don't blame on circumstances. So look for the circumstances what you want. If you can't find them, just make them. Okay, create the opportunity. If you don't find a job, create the job. Okay, you become an entrepreneur and create the job to the community. Okay, so change the paradigm, see what you want to achieve and take action towards it. Finally, believe and succeed. Okay, believe and succeed. And if you organize the four fundamental elements of the body, like your body, your emotions and your energy and your mind in one direction, anything you wish can happen. Okay, so organize your body, your emotions come from motions, so you have to do exercise daily. And your energy, maintain your energy and maintain your mind. Like so how clarity you have it, like if you keep all this four in one direction, anything you wish can be happen. Okay, always learn, unlearn and relearn, and always program your subconscious mind for success. Okay, because it will work even when you sleep. And finally, it's all your thought. Okay, if you wish to be rich, you will be rich. If you wish to be poor, you will be poor. Okay, so it's all about your thoughts. It's all about what you think. Fear is just a state of mind. Okay, there is nothing called failure until you give up. Okay, so with this, I close the session. Thank you so much for your time. Okay, so I'll take down the questions on the chat box, and thank you so much for your time. See you on the next session, probably next week or anytime which we connect. And thank you so much, Nalini Durga. Thank you so much. And Venkat Shiva, how to find design PCB? Venkat Shiva, like there are a lot of PCB design engineering jobs are available. Like there are a lot of jobs. Like only thing is you need to go up to a multi-layer board with a BGA capability. Okay. How to find Om Sanya, thanks sir. I appreciate you teaching and communication to all the support. Maybe Omi Sanya, thank you. Armuham, thank you. Yokeshwaran, I'll just repeat like how to get these certificates. Okay, you just go for our website tomorrow, probably tomorrow. It will be the certificates will be uploaded within 6 p.m. IST. Pantechsolutions.net. Okay, on the bottom you have an option called verify certificate. Okay, verify certificate. Click that one, and you will get this one. Here you could enter the email, but if you enter now, there will not be any certificate. Like, so it looks like this. Okay, so you could download the certificate here. Okay, so it will be uploaded only tomorrow. Okay, so you could download the certificate. So at this on our website, Jagadhar Singh, yes, I will send you the mindset lesson PDF, Jagadhar Singh, and Prasad, how to join the course. Like, you could get the link on, like, you may get an email, like, you could the email is there, like you could join the 3 months course. I will tell you, Prasad, like I will tell you, like, if you join this course, we have a community over here. Okay, so where we could meet on every Fridays. It's all about the both our mindset as well as skill set. Definitely it will be useful for you. We also have entrepreneurs corner, like where we teach how to start a business. Okay, how to make money, how to make a part-time money on part-time. Okay, on part-time jobs. Okay, by using your skill sets. All these are available in the community, so you could make use of it. Okay, how to knowledge of PC after how to improve knowledge on PCB design after this course. See, continuous learning is the one thing which you could master anything. Okay, like brushing your teeth for five minutes is not a matter, but brushing your teeth for every day, it really counts. Similarly, you just spend just 1 hour daily. Now, this answer is for Nalini Durga. You just spend 1 hour for learning on PCB design. Definitely, after 3 months, you could see like you will be the master. You will be a big master on this one. But always don't learn you go and find the environment like where you could learn. Okay, please don't learn alone. You will learn on a wrong way. Okay, find the environment, find the mentor. Okay, so those one can guide you, and one can give you one can transfer the knowledge at short span of time. Okay, so because if you try to learn on your own, it's just like solving a Rubik's cube. Okay, uh, like if you try to learn the algorithm, it may take long time, whereas the guy already who has solved the Rubik's cube can teach you within 10 minutes or 20 minutes of time, where you could do the same thing on 20 minutes of time. That's the advantage of learning with a mentor. Okay, so you could become a master. Like, if you want to become a master in PCB design, like, go and find out a mentor first, and then you try to learn and practice daily. Okay, anything which you practice for more than 3 months or 4 months or 6 months, definitely you will be a master. That is like, it's just like law of gravity. When you when you put any object, it should come down. Okay, so similarly like that, like if you practice for 1 hour, definitely you have to be a master. There is nothing called not achievable. Okay, so Mohana Krishnan, please subscribe to the channel. Like, we'll be sending emails, lot of emails to you. Please check the spam box if not there. Otherwise, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll get an update on the community. Okay. Pradeep Rajan, thank you. Christy Jose, thank you. Raj Gopal, thank you. So thank you so much. Can you please show the Gerber file by uploading the JLC website? Vinod is asking for JLC. How? Okay. You could go for this. Let me show the JLC. Okay, I just go for the. Okay, you could also have Gerber viewer online, like Gerber viewer online. Okay, online Gerber viewer from PCB way. So you could upload this Gerber, which is on the desktop. Okay, it will take some time. It will take some time. Let's wait for some. Okay, so Arjit, yes, I will do this week. This week, I'll upload this. The three projects I'll upload. Like the seven project is there on the portal, and Anushya Rani, thank you. Shrishya, thank you. Ravikant, thank you. Explain the examples are very good. Thank you. Armuham, thank you. Liju, thank you. Vinod, can you please the Gerber file? Okay, let's wait for this. It's uploading this one. Let me check. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let me check this one and. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, Sri Vishnu. Thank you, and Malvika. Thank you, Malvika. Like you will be getting the pen drive. Okay, no matter. I will be reshipping the pen drive for you as well as for one more guy is also there. Okay, and is a smart. It's also certified like Mohan. Like MATLAB is for 5 days. Okay, it's a 5 day workshop series, and thank you so much. And thank you so much for your time. Let me close the session. And so, any questions you have, just post it on the chat box. I'm not sure like why it's not coming, but I could check. If there is a problem, like I'll let you know through email, okay? Or like I will upload a video. So thank you so much for your time. And any questions, just put it on the chat box, else we could close the session. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. I'm signing off.